Welcome! Today we're embarking on a journey into the vast landscape of digital security, honing in on a key player that promises to shield your assets securely. Yes, we're talking about the Trezor Crypto Wallet. Understanding the crypto universe can sometimes feel like deciphering a complex maze, but fear not, we've got your back. In this video, we're shedding light on the Trezor Crypto Wallet, breaking down its advantages, potential downsides, and everything else you need to grasp, all explained in straightforward, easy to understand terms. By the time we're done, you'll have mastered the transformative topic of the Trezor Crypto Wallet. This newfound knowledge will equip you to make educated and informed decisions, helping you determine if this is indeed the perfect wallet for your needs. So, let's get started. Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by and seeing us here at Crypto Bookworm. If you're into all things cryptocurrency, you've come to the right place. Our goal is to keep you up to date on the latest and greatest in the world of digital currency and assets. Take it from us, it is a wild ride. So buckle up and join us as we dive into the exciting world of crypto. We're gonna have some fun and learn how to stay ahead of the game together. So first off, what is the Trezor Crypto Wallet? Trezor, a pioneering name in the world of crypto, is a hardware wallet designed for secure cryptocurrency storage. Its primary role is to safeguard your digital assets, such as Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, by using private keys. What sets Trezor apart is its superior blockchain security, protecting and controlling access to your crypto wealth. It was one of the first to offer such a solution, earning it a coveted spot in the crypto realm. What makes Trezor even more compelling is its approach to private key storage. These keys, which are your access to your digital wealth, are physically stored on the device itself. This means they're immune to the online threats that often target mobile devices, desktops, and web apps. Trezor, simply put, is your personal vault for crypto assets. The overall Trezor product line has two hardware wallets, the Model 1 and the Model T. The Model 1, Satoshi Labs' first hardware wallet, paved the way for the Trezor series. Much like a USB device, it plugs directly into your computer. As a secure storage solution, it supports over 1,000 digital assets, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, standing as a stalwart for asset safety. Next in the lineup is the Model T, a leap forward in the realm of crypto hardware wallets. The Model T boasts a master access key to manage digital assets, adding another layer of security. Not only can it store Bitcoin public keys, but it also encrypts them to secure exclusive crypto token passwords. Taking security and ease of use to a new level, the Model T features an LCD touchscreen. Moreover, it broadens its asset support, embracing all ERC20 tokens. The Model T is indeed a remarkable evolution in the Trezor portfolio. Now let's dive into the mechanics of these Trezor crypto wallets. Trezor wallets, despite utilizing Trezor's robust software, ensure your private keys remain securely housed within the device. In essence, these wallets are designed to remain offline, keeping them out of reach of cyber attacks. Thus, unauthorized access to digital funds becomes an impossibility with Trezor. Setting it apart, Trezor combines top-notch security with wide crypto support, alongside an engaging user interface and service options. Its dynamic interface caters to a multitude of cryptocurrencies. In fact, the Trezor Model T currently supports over 1,500 crypto assets, with Satoshi Labs continuously expanding this list. Security-wise, the unique Shamir backup system lends additional strength to the Trezor wallet, creating up to 16 shares of a user's digital assets. Hey, if you're getting some value out of this content, please consider subscribing to our channel. Every subscriber aids in promoting our work and fuels us to produce engaging and informative content. Also, if you're finding this topic complex, don't fret. We've recently created a video on choosing your ideal crypto wallet. Go check it out after this video for a more comprehensive understanding. Anyway, now that we've established the basics, let's pivot to the premium features that truly set Trezor wallets apart. Trezor offers a host of premium features for both Model 1 and Model T users. The recovery seed, a standout feature of the Model T, is essential for safekeeping high-value Bitcoin assets. Meanwhile, the new Model 1 comes with an in-wallet recovery seed, allowing you to recover digital assets should the device be damaged, stolen, or lost. In terms of compatibility, the Trezor app is universally adaptable, capable of running on desktops with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and even on Android devices via OTG support. Trezor also boasts a unique, well-documented mechanism for communication via the wallet, utilizing a browser-based app for this purpose. For those eager to dive in, the Trezor website provides a comprehensive guide to setting up both the software and the device, requiring just a USB cable for connection to your desktop or other devices. The Model T steps up with native Bitcoin transaction support and multi-transaction support for an array of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Zcash, and Vertcoin. In addition to impeccable security, Trezor offers intuitive access control. The device, compact as a key, demands private key authentication for all crypto transactions. With the insight of the premium features now under our belts, let's shift gears and weigh the pros and cons of Trezor crypto wallets. Trezor wallets are renowned for their superior cryptocurrency security and are also user-friendly and straightforward to operate. The built-in screen ensures your sensitive data, like PIN codes, private key backup phrases, or transaction confirmations, remain under lock and key. However, as with any product, Trezor has its drawbacks alongside its advantages. The first is the relatively slower speed of operations compared to other options. Another drawback is that the cost can be a deterrent for some. The Model 1 wallet is priced around $69, and the Model T around $219. These prices are somewhat steeper than many other hardware wallets and significantly higher than software wallet alternatives. And lastly, Trezor may not be the most beginner-friendly option. A solid understanding of digital currencies is necessary for a smooth and successful experience with Trezor wallets. Having assessed the pros and cons of Trezor, let's now compare it to other cryptocurrency wallets in the market. Trezor and Ledger are the heavyweights in the world of hardware wallets, boasting superior security and multi-cryptocurrency support. Ledger utilizes a closed operating system and a secure element chip, while Trezor's Model T benefits from open-source architecture, paving the way for developers to swiftly address bugs. On the pricing front, Ledger typically wins with more wallet-friendly price tags, but when the spotlight turns to features, Trezor steals the show. With a color screen, greater memory capacity, and seamless coin switching abilities, Trezor asserts its dominance. Now that we have dissected the merits and features of Trezor and Ledger, let's now turn our attention to another player in the hardware wallet sphere, KeepKey. While KeepKey shines in user experience with its robust design and easy setup, it doesn't quite catch up to Trezor's broad feature set and smooth browser integration. Despite its slightly higher price, Trezor, with its rock-solid security and integrated services, sets the gold standard in the realm of cryptocurrency wallets. As we reach the end of our in-depth exploration of the Trezor crypto wallet, the moment has arrived for making those final critical decisions. Whether the minimalist approach of the Trezor Model 1 appeals to you, or the advanced functionality of the Model T tickles your fancy, remember that your choice should cater to your specific needs. Regardless of the model, rest assured, your data will be under the uncompromising guard of leading-edge encryption and stringent security protocols. If you found this helpful, we invite you to dive into more of our content at CryptoBookworm.com, your go-to source for all things crypto and NFTs. Thanks so much for tuning in. We hope you've gleaned valuable knowledge, and we can't wait to share more insights in our upcoming videos. Until next time.